Wowoto H8 Android projector is a projector we are beginning to love very much here at the MXQ project. The build quality is fantastic, the image quality is crisp and clear, and the price is quite reasonable. It's still quite expensive though. I mean, $400 for anything is a lot of money, and to know how to actually recover these devices is quite essential, mainly because there's not a lot of information online on how to actually do this. As we all know, Android can become quite temperamental sometimes, and sometimes it can just totally crash and just refuse to actually load up. Now, to actually recover these Android systems on these projectors is quite simple. All we need is a USB stick and a .bin file. Now, that .bin file will be specific to each piece of hardware. On this H8, which we'll be using in this tutorial, I have actually uploaded the actual .bin file, and you can find out that in the description below. Anyway, let's move on now. Let's show you how to recover your Wowoto H8. This can also be applied to different Wowoto Android projectors as well. My name's Matthew, and you're watching another tutorial by the MXQ project. So again, the file will be in the description for the H8, and over time we'll be able to upload other Wowoto firmware files as well. So grab the .bin file, so it should say icsource.bin, and all you need to do is you need to delete whatever you've got on your USB stick, so make sure it's absolutely blank, and just simply transfer the icsource.bin file onto your USB stick. And once you've done that, we can move over to the actual Wowoto Android projector. In this case, we're using the H8. So grab your USB stick and insert it into the USB 2.0 port on this H8. Now if you've got a different Wowoto, it might be different. Don't insert it into the 3.0 port because it won't work. The USB 2.0 port is the OTG port, which is USB on the go. Now, next step is to simply turn on your projector, and as you'll see on screen, it will initiate the installation procedure, and it will take about 5 to 10 minutes to complete the overall thing. But once it's done, you'll be able to start using Android again. Now, this tutorial is really aimed at those users that Android has become totally corrupt and it simply will not boot anymore. To actually do an OTA update is quite easy because Wowoto actually provide those OTA updates, and they come through every now and again. I think we've received 1 or 2 in the time we've actually had this projector, which is great to see. So there's no real reason other than if your Android has become corrupt to actually use this tutorial. Anyway, I really hope it's helped you in some way or another. Please let me know in the comments section below if I need to add to this or I could improve it. I'll be happy to help in any way I can. You've been watching another video by the MXQ project. Don't forget to check out our website at mxqproject.com, Twitter at mxqproject, and of course our Facebook group. Again, links will be all in the description. Thanks for watching guys, and we shall see you very soon.